So, hello again my friends, how are you? This is Pablo Llanes. We are in my clinic in Holistic, and today I want to give you an advice of how to show your patients a special stretch for lumbar spine. What's the problem with the patients? There are some patients that they don't know anything about the body, they never practice any sport, or they are very old. It's difficult for them to find the positions or to know how to stretch your body. So, what are we going to do? Very easy. To stretch all the muscles in the lumbar spine where you have low back pain. First thing you can do is you cross your leg like this, and then you say your patient, okay, we are going to stretch your muscles in 3 different positions. First thing you are going to do is to put your knee to your chest, to hold your knee and press it to your chest. And you hold there for 1 minute. Okay, let's go. In this case, we are stretching piriformis muscle. We must hold this position for 1 minute. After that, we ask the patients to hold the knee with the other hand and just let the pelvis and the leg go into the other side. The other hand just is resting in the floor like this, and in this case what I am doing is rotating the vertebra. I make vertebrae articulate in rotation and stretch all the muscles, rotator muscles, multifidus muscles, and all the abductor muscles of the hip joint. And then lastly, the same part to the other side, and in this case what I do is articulate the spine, side flexion, open my hand, the same like the other position, and I stretch on my quadratus lumborum, all my hips, my abductor muscles of the hip joint, and tensor fasciae latae as well. And 1 minute. And after that, all you always match to it both sides. After that, the same. One position, chest, knee to chest. Second position. Oh my goodness! I'm worse than I thought. I'm getting over now. And then 1 minute, more than it's a video, and I don't want you to get bored. And then this position. And that's all. Thanks for coming. Now, today there is no paper, so I only want to say to you, come here to Madrid to visit me, to my city. It's a very beautiful place to have some holidays, and nothing more. Bye bye, hope to see you again, fellows.